Ndewo, ndị ọma na-ege m ntị. You are welcome to the channel today. We have a lot to talk about. We have a lot to learn today. But meanwhile, what I have to teach today in Igbo language is color. Aqua. Color in Igbo language is called aqua. Kaibidoni. In Igbo language, we have so many colors, and while expressing the colors, we do say gini kiya nasha. Gini kiya nasha. You will not respond with all nasha, that is the color is while we speak. But the name of the colors, so as English has the name of their colors, we also Igbo has the name of our colors. So let's begin. Red, in Igbo we call it mmee. Mmee. We can also call it obara. These two names in Igbo, mmee, obara, it's called in English red. We have another one, umunnem, that is blue. We have another one, Ire Ire, that is pink. We have another one, nto, maọbụ aja, that is brown. I hope you're following. We have another one, popo, that is orange. We have another one, ocha, that is white. Oji, that is black. We have another one, nzu, that is gray. We have another one, Odo Odo, that is gold. Ocha, that is silver. Okay, I hope you get it. Odo is gold. Ocha is silver. So we have another one, Odo Odo. Odo Odo is purple. Odo Odo is purple. So this is where we draw to the end of this.